Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Apple ID and password. Type them exactly and use copy-paste to avoid typos. Once done, check for a trusted device or a recovery email linked to the account because you'll need a second verification path. If you only have a phone number on file, go to iForget. Apple. Calm from a computer and begin account recovery. Choose email verification when offered. Make sure your browser is updated and pop-ups are allowed so you don't miss verification windows. Now continue by selecting the verification option that doesn't require the phone. Pick the recovery email or a trusted device prompt. If those aren't available, start Apple's account recovery. This can take days, so begin immediately and follow every instruction. You may be asked to provide account details or proof of identity, have purchase receipts or ID info ready. Once you submit recovery, monitor the email you provided and respond quickly to any follow-ups to shorten the wait and regain access. Finish by following the final verification links or codes that Apple sends to your recovery email or trusted device. Enter any codes exactly and set a new, accessible two-factor method such as another trusted phone or device. Once you're back in, add an alternate phone number and enable a secondary trusted device so this doesn't recur. If recovery stalls or you're locked out, contact Apple support, provide your recovery ID and proof, and ask for expedited review. Make sure to keep all confirmation emails and reference numbers handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.